Earlier today, Ram and his brother went to the Lido Sports showroom to buy bats and balls. But the bats were being sold in pairs of 2 and the balls in packs of 3. And Ram wanted to buy an equal number of bats and balls. How did he do it? An uncle approached Ram to help him and he suggested that he should buy 2 bats and 3 balls. Then the uncle realized there was 1 extra ball. So he asked Ram to get another pair of bats. After this, however, Ram had 1 extra bat. So the uncle repeated the same sequence and placed 3 more balls below the bats. Now there were 6 balls and 4 bats. That's when Ram figured out the sequence. So he got 2 more bats and placed them near the balls. And finally, he had 6 balls and 6 bats, an equal number of both. Amazed, Ram asked the uncle how he figured this out. The uncle explained that he applied the concepts of multiples and least common multiples to figure it out. He explained to Ram that since 6 is the smallest common multiple of 2 and 3, he had to buy 3 pairs of bats and 2 packs of balls to make the number equal. Hence, the LCM of 2 or more numbers is the smallest common number that appears in the tables of those numbers. Simple, isn't it? Well, that's all for today. And it's time for you to go back to your tutor to understand this better and practice a little bit. Good luck. Bye.